Tech Mahindra. In fact, it was the big mover yesterday as well. In a span of 2 days, Tech Mahindra has gained 11%. Well, we don't know what's fueling this kind of rally in the stock, but we are here to tell you a few triggers. One is an impending management change. The current CEO and MD, C.P. Gurnani, and he's been at the helm of the company for a very long time now, he officially steps down in December 2023. And now for the last couple of months, the street has been speculating who will take his place. Again, yesterday, there were rumors that on the analyst day, which is scheduled on 3rd of March, maybe the company will announce the new CEO. We know, looking at other cases in IT companies, that a CEO can energize the business. You remember when Salil Parekh took over Infosys, it was in the aftermath of a lot of issues, and he really turned around the script for Infosys, and the stock has been an outperformer. So, the street is going to be watching this impending CEO change very, very closely. Two, its valuations are relatively inexpensive versus peers. The stock trades at 15-16 times forward multiple. In comparison, TCS trades at 24 times and Infosys trades at 20-21 times. So valuations are relatively cheaper. Three, we are in the 5G era and communication contributes about 40% to the overall revenues, and the communication verticals can be a key growth driver on the back of the 5G rollout, because a lot of enterprises will now be developing 5G use cases, and Tech Mahindra can aid in that. The risk just in the near term is that the management post their Q3 numbers sounded very cautious. They indicated that there is some weakness in large clients. They are reprioritizing their IT spending. There is the extension of furloughs will extend to January in a few clients, and the slower decision making in discretionary spending. So Q3 numbers were not a big beat, but the management sounded a bit cautious, and that's the risk we need to take on board. But right now, the street is squarely focused on who the next CEO is going to be. In fact, earlier at Davos, we had caught up with C.P. Gurnani, the CEO and MD of Tech Mahindra, and he was in conversation with Shireen Bhan. And at that time, he had said that don't expect an immediate announcement on the succession plan.
The communication to the stock